I have a business and a personal brand. And this is my personal brand. H.o.g.O.n. H.o.g.O.n stands for honoring our generation ornamental nature, meaning we honor our hands. We honor those who build. And we respect the culture so much that we also teach it. So when I say I get my hog on, that means I'm doing it for those who did it before me, and I'm doing it for those who come in after me. And it's a personal brand because yes, I'm a hog. I was born in Little Rock, so I'm a hog, and I get my hog on by making my actions speak louder than my words. And a lot of people, honestly, I feel understand the branding more once they get into the concept of who I am, because I don't take no for an answer. I believe in going an extra mile, putting in the hard work, standing when I need to stand, praying when I need to pray. You know what I mean? I believe in fighting when it's time to fight. I mean, I'm a true soldier to my movement. You see what I'm saying? Because I'm knowing that at the end of the day, your personal business, your movement is you. And you are a unique individual. So if you're unique and you use it to your benefit, you can create a unique business and a unique brand. Hold on.